quick release, open, close, and adjust. To open the quick release, flip the lever outwards. The clamp opens up, and the lever says open. To close the quick release, flip the lever in. The lever says close. If the lever moves too easily, tighten the quick release nut and try again. The motion of the lever should have some resistance when it is about halfway closed. A properly tightened quick release provides incredible clamping force. Do not use the quick release like a wing nut. A wing nut does not have good clamping force.